Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the says, "Sorry, you have been blocked" error for any website. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Google Chrome and make sure you're signed into your Chrome account if you aren't already. Click on the three dots in the top corner, then select Extensions, and from there, click on Manage Extensions. Look through everything you have installed and make sure all your extensions are up to date and necessary. If you find anything suspicious or anything you don't need, go ahead and remove it directly from that menu. Next, we're going to clear out some browsing data. Click the three dots again and go into Settings. Here, go to Privacy and Security and open it. You'll find an option that says Delete Browsing Data. Click on that. Make sure the time range is set to all time and select all the available checkboxes to clear everything out. Once you're ready, click Delete Data and let Chrome clean things up. After that, check if your Chrome browser is up to date by going to the About Chrome section. Make sure you're running the latest version for the best performance and security. And that's it. So that's basically how you can the Ertwoth, "Sorry, you've been blocked" error for any website. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.